Hi everyone, in this video we'll see how to check whether a number is prime or not. So let's start by getting a user input. Let's say number equal to int input, enter a number. Okay, now the next step is basically prime number starts from 2. Okay, so that is the reason we have to check the number if it is greater than 1 or not. We have to check that using the if condition. So we'll write an if condition which checks if the number is greater than 1. Okay, so next we'll use a for loop which takes a range function for I in range, and here the starting point of the range is 2. As I said earlier, prime number starts from 2, so that is the reason why I have given 2, and it stops at number. Whatever the user's input will be, that will be our number. Okay, so here there is another if condition which checks whether two numbers return a reminder. Okay, number modulus I equal to 0. Okay, basically modulus returns a reminder. Okay, after dividing, if these two numbers are divided, then it should return a 0. As per our condition, it should return 0. Okay, if it returns 0 as a reminder, then we have to print number comma is not a prime number. Okay, so now we have to provide a break here. If we don't provide a break, it will continuously loop on. It will iterate continuously. So that is the reason I have provided a break function there. So we'll give an else part also. Else part, obviously it prints number is a prime number. Number is a prime number. Okay, and other else part is else print. Okay, number is not a prime number. Okay, so this else belongs to this if condition. Okay, if this condition is true, then the for loop will be executed. If it is false, this will be executed. Okay, so let's run this program. Okay, now if I give 2 here, so it is giving me 2 is a prime number, so that is working. So if I give 6 here, 6 is not a prime number because 6 is there in 3 table, and it is there in 2 table. Okay, and is of course it is there in 6 table and 1 table, so it is not a prime number. And let's say if I have 5 here, 5 is a prime number. Okay, 5 is there in 5 ones are 5 and 1 5 is a 5. So this is how you can check whether a number is prime or not using Python. This is very simple program, so hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.